What's gonna YouTube? Here I'm gonna show you how I remove this green screen. Guys, as you see here for my clip, you see it has not enough light. So that reason why I bring this clip, and because I just want to show you how to fix this problem. So many people tells me I have the small room, I have not enough light, so how can I remove this green screen? So as you see here for my clip, this is the pure green, but you see here there is some shadows of this subject because there is not enough light, and then even the room is too small. That reason why this subject is very closer with this background. So when you are shooting on the green screen, so between your subject and the background must have the enough space, like 10 feet, yeah, like 10 feet, yes, or just 2 meters. Okay, so for me the room was too small, even the light was not enough. So here I'm gonna show you how to remove this green, okay, and then you get the pure lizard. So the things I'm going to do, I'm going to just remove this green, okay. You come here for these double arrows because I just want to add the effect, okay. Then you come here for this effect, and I'm going to search the effect which is called Ultra key. So this Ultra key you have to drag and drop it here for this clip, okay. So this is Ultra key settings, and I'm going to use this key color icon, okay. So when I pick this key color icon and come here for picking on this green, you see what I get. This is not pure, guys, okay. So for example, let me come here for this output. You have to click on this composite, and then you click for this alpha channel. You see, guys, I have the white subject, but the background is not pure black. So that reason why I have to come here for this as default, and then click here for this aggressive, okay. You see, guys, now the things is going, it's starting going well, okay. And then let me come back here for this alpha, let me come back here for this composite. Now there is some small things here, okay, that I have to remove, okay. And also, and I'm going to drag this Ultra key, and then I drop it here for this clip for second, okay. And then let me pick this color key also, and I have to click on these things, okay, and make sure you choose aggressive. All right, okay. So, and also, if you don't have, like, if you still have other things, okay, like these, that small issues, okay, you can also drag this Ultra key for the third, okay, and then you came, yes, you remove it, okay, until until the green screen is over removed, okay. So here, guys, I still have color. This color is not green. So how am I going to fix this? Okay, I'm going to mask, because my subject, yes, is sitting on the same, yes, on the same position, is not moving, okay. So the things I have to do, and I'm going to mask these things, okay. I have to come here for this opacity. So, and I'm going to use this free draw bezel, and I'm going to mask my subject here, something like this, okay. So I have to mask well. Yeah, it's like to select my subject, okay. Yeah, even here there is something, yes, you can mask, yeah, this subject well. And then you see, guys, now it is disappearing, and make sure there is no other things on it, okay. So now everything is okay. Now, guys, you see I received the black background. So now it's time to add your background. So your background, maybe it can be the video, it can be the image. So here I have the background which I'm going to use. So here I have different background. Yeah, you can use, because like me, I like to use the image. So maybe this is nice than this. So let me drag this image, and I have to put it here down, okay, down of this clip. So you have to click here on it, and then let me come here for this effect control, and I'm going to zoom zoom it like this. Okay, guys, here I think there is some issues on this subject. Okay, so I have to find the Ultra key. Maybe let me see, it is this one for the last. Okay, you see guys, so I have to close. Okay, so now I'm going to use this second Ultra key. Okay, so I have to open up this mate generation and I try to balance, well, they try to remove these things which is remains here. Okay, try to reduce something like this. Okay, now you see guys, is over disappeared. Yeah, this is, maybe this is good, this is good. Okay, so and about zooming this image, maybe this is the right position. Okay, which I cannot use. Okay, but you know the background must be blurred. Okay, so I have to add the effect which is called the Gaussian blur. So let me search the effect called the Gaussian blur. Okay, so I have to drop it here for this image and let me enable this blurriness, just a few blurriness. Okay, yeah, something like this. Maybe people will guess, wow, this is the best lens, it has high aperture. Okay, so this is nice. And then if you just want to make the color grading, so you can also add your adjustment layer, or you can just make color grading for each. If I just want to make color grading about the background only, just I can make the color grading for the background only. If you just want to give the look about your clip only, just you can do it. Yes, yeah, whatever you want. Yeah, something like this. So now this is the result you get. Maybe this is looking good. So guys, this is how you can remove this green screen in Premiere Pro. If you like this video guys, don't forget to make subscribe, like, share, and drop the comment down below. So see you in next video. Peace.